Castor oil, a pale yellow liquid pressed from the seeds of the castor bean plant, boasts a rich history in traditional medicine systems worldwide. From ancient Egypt to Ayurvedic practices, this therapeutic oil has been revered for its remarkable healing properties, especially for tummy troubles. Passed down through generations, its use has stood the test of time, offering natural relief and promoting overall well-being. Today, modern science is catching up with tradition, uncovering the scientific basis for castor oil's impressive health benefits. Castor oil's versatility is astounding. It's not just a digestive aid but also a potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent, making it a valuable ally for addressing a range of health concerns. Its unique composition, rich in ricinoleic acid, contributes to its remarkable therapeutic properties. When applied topically to the stomach, castor oil penetrates deeply, working its magic to soothe inflammation, ease discomfort, and promote healing. This ancient remedy, once a staple in our grandparents' medicine cabinets, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people seek natural ways to support their health. Its effectiveness, affordability, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Whether you're struggling with digestive issues, skin irritations, or simply seeking natural ways to enhance your well-being, castor oil offers a safe and effective solution. One of the most celebrated benefits of castor oil is its ability to soothe digestive distress. Traditionally, castor oil has been used as a natural laxative, effectively relieving constipation. This effect is attributed to ricinoleic acid, which stimulates bowel movements by increasing the contraction of intestinal muscles. Beyond its laxative effect, castor oil also possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm an irritated gut. This is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, characterized by inflammation in the digestive tract. By reducing inflammation, castor oil can help alleviate symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, and cramping. Furthermore, castor oil's antimicrobial properties can help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of intestinal flora. This is crucial for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, as an imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to a host of digestive issues. By supporting a healthy gut microbiome, castor oil contributes to overall digestive well-being. However, it's important to use castor oil with caution, as excessive use can lead to side effects like diarrhea and electrolyte imbalance. It's always best to start with a small amount and consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. While often lauded for its internal benefits, castor oil is equally revered for its remarkable effects on skin health. When applied topically, it acts as a natural emollient, deeply moisturizing the skin and promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Its rich fatty acid content allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin, delivering nourishment and hydration. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties extend to the skin, making it an effective remedy for various skin conditions. It can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and calm inflammation associated with conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Its antimicrobial properties further contribute to its skin healing benefits by combating bacteria that can aggravate these conditions. Moreover, castor oil is known to promote wound healing, thanks to its ability to stimulate collagen and elastin production. These proteins are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and promoting tissue repair. Regular application of castor oil to wounds can help speed up the healing process and minimize scarring. For those seeking to improve the appearance of stretch marks, castor oil can be a valuable ally. Its ability to promote skin elasticity and collagen production makes it an effective natural remedy for reducing the appearance of these marks. While not a magic eraser, consistent use can help fade their appearance over time. Section 3. Taming the pain. Castor oil's analgesic effects. Beyond its digestive and skin benefits, castor oil has long been recognized for its analgesic properties, providing natural pain relief for various ailments. When applied topically, it penetrates deeply into the skin, reaching muscles and joints to alleviate pain and inflammation. This makes it a popular natural remedy for muscle soreness, joint pain, and arthritis. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is believed to be responsible for its pain-relieving effects. This unique fatty acid exhibits analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, effectively reducing pain and inflammation in affected areas. By blocking the production of prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that contribute to pain and inflammation, castor oil provides natural pain relief. Traditionally, castor oil packs have been used to alleviate pain and inflammation. This involves soaking a cloth in castor oil, placing it on the affected area, and applying heat for an extended period. The heat helps the oil penetrate deeper into the tissues, enhancing its therapeutic effects. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind castor oil's analgesic effects, anecdotal evidence and traditional use suggest its efficacy in providing natural pain relief. It offers a safe and natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, especially for those seeking to minimize their reliance on conventional medications. Section 4. Castor oil. Aiding immune function for overall wellness. While often associated with its topical and digestive benefits, castor oil also plays a role in supporting a healthy immune system. A robust immune system is crucial for overall well-being, as it protects the body against harmful pathogens and diseases. Castor oil, with its unique properties, can contribute to enhancing immune function. One way castor oil supports the immune system is by promoting lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system is a critical part of the immune system, responsible for removing toxins and waste products from the body. Castor oil, when applied topically, can help stimulate lymphatic flow, supporting the removal of harmful substances and boosting immune function. Furthermore, castor oil's antimicrobial properties can help combat infections and support the body's natural defenses. Its ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi makes it a valuable ally in preventing and fighting infections. By keeping these harmful pathogens at bay, castor oil contributes to a stronger immune system. Additionally, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is beneficial for immune health. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. By reducing inflammation, castor oil helps create an environment conducive to optimal immune function. Conclusion: embrace the magic of castor. Castor oil, a time-honored remedy with a rich history of traditional use, continues to amaze with its remarkable health benefits. Its versatility, affordability, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. From soothing digestive distress and promoting skin health to alleviating pain and supporting immune function, castor oil offers a natural and effective approach to enhancing overall well-being. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind its therapeutic properties, anecdotal evidence and traditional use strongly suggest its efficacy. By incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine, you can tap into the wisdom of ancient healing traditions and experience its transformative effects firsthand. Whether you're seeking natural relief from specific ailments or simply looking to enhance your overall health, castor oil offers a safe and effective solution. Embrace the magic of this ancient elixir and unlock its potential to transform your health and well-being.